So guys, this is SKIL screwdriver, and get it out here. And it comes in this case. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. And when they first came out, you got the tool in a package with a charger and a couple of bits. But here they gave you a little organizer. So it's kind of neat. I'm doing this. I don't have a tripod. It's a different design. I mean, forward, reverse, right? Rubber. There's a nice feel to it. It's kind of hefty for a small tool. It's 4-volt USB-C, and you have the torque settings: 1, 2, and 3. 3 being the highest. You can say you don't want to have this accidentally started for some reason. You can push and hold the button, and nothing is going to work, and you can use it as an ordinary screwdriver. Just push and hold again, and there you go. On the 3 settings, you're going to get, I think it's the same speed but different torque. The torque max setting is said to be 22 inch-pounds. It does seem to have pretty good torque for a little screwdriver. You can push this button, and you push it in, and you, just a second, do that one. Then you can go S20, S45. Then you can go up to this position. That's a 22.5, and then you can go to the straight position. It is a very nice tool for, you know, there's stuff that you need to do that you don't need a impact. Working on a computer, you know, taking the back off, maybe having to put some thermal paste on your CPU or something like that. This is going to work great. You don't want too much torque. It's great for, you know, putting in electric plates, put it on the low torque, and yeah. So anyway, you get a lot of bits. You get the extension. So I thought for 30 bucks, I think it was 29 bucks, that it would be okay. This design here, where you can see the this, I don't know if you can see this logo. Why it's a little bulky is so that you can pivot this to a few different positions. Yeah, guys, not bad at all. It takes about an hour and a half to charge. When it's when you got it plugged in and all the batteries are solid, then it's fully charged. If it's blinking, it's charging. If the 3 of them is blinking, I think it's overheated. I forgot to mention it's got a little light on there. Goes out after 10 seconds.
When the light is flashing like this, it needs to be charged.
You can see this window. It's foggy. So where's the moisture coming from? It's cleared up quite a bit there now, but it was really bad. The light was flashing, the LED light, the work light, and so it needed to be charged. When you plug it in, it will continue to do this until all 3 lights up, and then you know that it's fully charged. I did those small screws, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Maybe 60 screws. At least.
Here it is in action.
family, hit that subscribe button, because not only does it keep you in the loop, it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this sort of thing. Also, it helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more and more wonderful, beautiful people just like you.